basically applications that work or use cloud as a backend. Another interesting thing is most of the R&D budgets for some of the largest IT companies would have been dedicated to cloud computing and the improving of the services, which includes the security and the hosting services. So what does it translate into? What it translates into is, one, that is the direction of the future. B, it provides more opportunities for creating content or courses within the universities. Third, it is basically the new infrastructure when you are planning out, let's say over the next 3 years, 5 years, how the organization should move. You would kind of have a clear direction of what kind of hardware you should typically be going in for. Now, coming to what is it that people would look for when you need to, when you have decided that you want to migrate to the cloud. There are 4 major factors or considerations which would typically be there. The primary one would be the technical factors. Second would be the economic factors. Third would be the cost versus benefit analysis. And fourth would be the return on investment. Before we kind of get on to details about what are the factors that will typically be there, one important consideration that should typically be there is you should decide, depending on a whole lot of other factors, whether you'd like to go for a private cloud, you'd like to go for a public cloud, or you'd like to go for a hybrid cloud. To define very quickly, private cloud would be limited to users of one particular organization. Public cloud would be multiple organizations. It's a multiple tenant scenario where you have users from different organizations, different sets of people on the same cloud. And third would be the hybrid, which would be a combination of the private and the public cloud. Now, coming to the technical factors, there are a whole lot of things that one must consider before you move to the cloud, because it's extremely important to know what you are kind of getting into. One of the major things that organizations should look for is security. How secure is the data in the cloud? So you must do a full-fledged evaluation before you kind of get onto it. Storage is also similar. You must evaluate what is it that you get free, how much do you need to pay, what is the cost